Hello everyone, my name is Sena and thank you for listening to my presentation. And I gave a handout for you guys. It is ingredients, but not all of them. Just I guess you guys maybe don't know the words. So today I explain how to make a Korean food japchae. It is one of traditional Korean food. And first, you have to buy the ingredient: glass noodle and beef, spinach, shiitake, carrot, chip, onion, and then you have to make the sauce with soy sauce and sugar and stretchy shrub and sesame oil and crushed garlic and mix them. So it is sauce, and then start cooking. Second, you have to fry the beef and carrot, onion, and chip, and then stir fry. But you have to stir fry separately. But when you stir fry beef, you have to put a sauce and stir fry together. Third, you have to boil the glass noodle. Just about 6 minutes. Take out the noodles after then insert on the cool water. And take it out and then boil with the sauce. And mix the glass noodle and vegetable and sauce. And the food is complete. Last step is put on fruit dish and then eat. So today I talk about how to make japchae, and there are 4 steps. First, buy your ingredients. Second, slice beef and vegetables. Third, mix them, and fourth, eat. So thank you for your attention. And any question? Yeah, Kate.
I'm a little confused about one of the steps. You buy the ingredients, and then you chop the beef, carrot, and onion and stir fry them.
Yeah,
but
slice.
Before that,
Slice.
that's the sauce? You slice them.
Yeah, slice them.
But how do you make the sauce? You were talking about sauce?
Yeah, so soy sauce and sugar and stretchy shrub and sesame oil and crushed garlic. You have to mix them.
Oh,
And
okay.
then there is sauce.
And then after you make the sauce, then what do you do?
And then after make the sauce, you have to slice beef and vegetables. And then when you stir fry beef, you have to put the sauce.
Okay.
And
So in what step number is your sauce?
just first, when you have by ingredient, and then you have to mix the sauce.
Okay. I see. Thank you.